Dog rose, also known as Rosa canina, is a beautiful and easy-to-grow shrub that produces lovely pink or white flowers followed by bright red hips in autumn. These hips are a great source of vitamin C and can be used to make jams, jellies, teas, and syrups. If you're looking to add a dog rose to your garden, here's what you need to know about how to grow and care for this wonderful plant. Choose the right location. Dog roses prefer full sun, so choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight today. They also prefer well-draining soil, so make sure the soil in your chosen location is not too heavy or clay-like. If your soil is heavy, consider adding some sand or grit to improve drainage. Plant at the right time. Dog roses can be planted in the spring or the fall. If you are planting in the spring, wait until after the last frost has passed. If you are planting in the fall, make sure to give the plant enough time to establish itself before the first frost. Plant the dog rose at the same depth it was in the pot, and make sure to water it well after planting. Water regularly. Dog roses prefer moist soil, so make sure to water your plant regularly, especially during the summer months. Water deeply once a week, and more often if the weather is particularly hot and dry. However, be careful not to overwater, as dog roses do not like to be waterlogged. Fertilize annually. Dog roses do not require a lot of fertilizer, but they will benefit from an annual feeding in the spring. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer and apply according to the package directions. Prune annually. Dog roses benefit from annual pruning to encourage healthy growth and flowering. Prune in late winter or early spring, cutting back any dead or diseased wood and removing any crossed branches. Cut back the remaining branches by about a third to promote new growth. Control pests and diseases. Dog roses are generally hardy and resistant to pests and diseases. However, they can be susceptible to aphids and black spot. If you notice any signs of infestation or disease, treat promptly with an appropriate insecticide or fungicide. In conclusion, growing and caring for dog rose is relatively easy, and with just a little attention, you can enjoy the beauty of this plant for many years to come. By choosing the right location, planting at the right time, watering regularly, fertilizing annually, pruning annually, and controlling pests and diseases, you'll be well on your way to a healthy and productive dog rose plant.